Contrary to expectations, XRP's price actually fell 3% after its record-breaking US ETF launch, a classic buy the rumor, sell the news scenario. Despite the ETF's $37.7 million opening day volume record, institutional profit-taking, and a Bitcoin pullback quickly overshadowed this bullish catalyst. This led to significant volatility, with XRP plunging from $3.01 to $2.91, triggering $7.93 million in liquidations, mostly from long positions. If you're holding Solana, pay close attention. Massive SOL deposits into Coinbase are signaling a potential wave of selling pressure. Over 312,000 SOL, valued at $75 million, plus another $54 million, were moved to the exchange, typically indicating an intent to sell. This whale activity, combined with weakening technical indicators, could cap SOL's rally, despite long-term optimism around ETFs and upgrades. Despite Uniswap's recent price plunge below $9, a closer look at its on-chain data reveals a surprising story. Heavy selling pressure led to significant outflows, pushing Uni into heavily oversold territory, with an RSI of 28.7. However, $110 million in reserves and a $165 million ecosystem fund provide a strong fundamental anchor, making the $9.20 recovery point crucial. This overlooked crypto indicator might signal Chainlink's next big move after an 8.5% plunge. While RSI suggests oversold conditions, MACD confirms downward momentum, creating a complex picture for traders. Key support at $20.24 is crucial. Holding it could lead to an oversold bounce, but a break might accelerate selling. If you're tracking the crypto market, you need to know the CoinDesk 20 index just dropped 5.4%. This isn't just a minor dip. All 20 constituent assets are trading lower, signaling widespread market weakness. Leading the decline are Uniswap and AAVE, both experiencing a significant 10.4% fall, reflecting the current bearish sentiment. This overlooked indicator might signal a major shift. South Korea just reported over 36,000 suspicious crypto transactions in 8 months of 2025. That number alone exceeds the combined total for the previous 2 years, revealing a sharp increase in money laundering and foreign exchange fraud, often via stablecoins. This mirrors a global surge in crypto crime, prompting regulators worldwide to demand stronger oversight and coordinated action. The crypto market just witnessed a massive event. Over $1.7 billion in leveraged positions were liquidated in just 24 hours. Bitcoin and Ethereum plunged to multi-week lows, even as gold hit an all-time high, signaling increased macro uncertainty. This widespread downturn saw the global crypto market cap slide below $4 trillion, impacting altcoins like Doge, ADA, and Link with double-digit losses. The crypto market just experienced its largest liquidation since December 2024, wiping out $1.7 billion in leveraged positions. Ethereum and Bitcoin bore the brunt, with over $500 million and $280 million liquidated respectively, overwhelmingly from long positions. This massive shakeout, where long positions were crushed, could be seen as a market reset, potentially paving the way for the anticipated Uptober rally. Surprising move from China's regulator just hit Hong Kong's booming digital asset market. Beijing has instructed at least 2 brokerages to pause their real-world asset RWA tokenization businesses offshore. This aims to strengthen risk management, signaling Beijing's cautious stance despite Hong Kong's one country, two systems framework. Attention, crypto traders. Ethereum just experienced its largest liquidation cascade since 2021, wiping out $1.53 billion and affecting over 400,000 traders. Despite this massive deleveraging, ETH's price drop was relatively limited, showing market resilience. However, experts warned that the deleveraging process might not be over, with some whales strategically selling before the crash. Imagine a world where stablecoins aren't just for crypto trading, but instruments of geopolitical power. This week, China and South Korea launched new stablecoins, AXCNH and One Korean Won, both over-collateralized and designed to boost international trade efficiency. These tokens aim to challenge the US dollar's long-standing dominance, potentially deepening bond markets and reshaping global digital monetary influence. A nation with over 40 million crypto users just made a pivotal move, officially opening its doors to global exchanges. Pakistan's new Virtual Assets Ordinance and PVARA aim to transform it into a crypto hub, reducing uncertainty for investors. This regulatory clarity is set to significantly boost institutional adoption for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, attracting major global players.